What's up, YouTube? Tonight we're at the Oversize pile in the dozer. We're in, what are we in? We're in the big old fucking D8. It's not that big compared to that. But it'll do. Right now we're pushing over the Oversize. What I mean by oversize is all that big rock over there. There's some huge ones. I'll go show you one later. That's over there in the darkness. But I don't know if you can see that. What's up, YouTube? So in this video, as I stated before, we are pushing over oversize, and oversize is just giant rocks that are kind of, when you dig it up, you find these big giant boulders and they gotta go somewhere. So what I'm doing is spotting the wiggle wagons, getting them dumped off in a safe spot. You can't really see anything, so you gotta be very careful in this. When it comes to pushing them off, we just keep pushing them off into the darkness, eventually opening up a big area so we can put more on top. Looks kind of cool where we're dumping and everything with the water and stuff here. It's very peaceful. Very peaceful, no. Just sit up here sometimes. I don't know if you can hear me. The machine's right there and loud as shit. But being this far up, it's nice. Knowing you're like 400 kilometers away from anybody really new in the world. As you can see here, some of these rocks actually are very, very big. Like this D8 dozer is a relatively big machine. It's not big compared to D10s and whatnot, but it is still pretty big. And yeah, this can be very rough depending on what rocks are getting like lodged in with each other. It's not the funnest sometimes because you just get smashed around in the cab, but it's peaceful because you get left alone. There's not really too much thinking involved when you're just throwing big rocks around. Usually for trucks, you don't want to tailgate with the wiggle wagons, and as you can see from this video here, this is exactly why you don't want to tailgate. It's not very good on them. They disappear sometimes because of that reason right there. The machine's not small. It's a pretty big machine. But this is a pretty big fucking rock. It's much bigger than I am. A big old machine in the middle of butt-fuck nowhere. Fun, fun, fun. It is kind of fun. Take it with a grain of salt. Bad days are bad sometimes, but lead up to the good ones. Back into the machine. I'm on cab. Fog's really starting to roll in now. Kind of hard to tell, but it is not easy to see. Somewhere out up here. I guess it's even worse than up there too. For the rest of the video, we're just going to get a little time lapse going of me dumping some trucks over and then just throwing them off in the darkness. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video and stay tuned for more. That's another one down. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you made it this far, I appreciate you like always. Make sure you follow your dreams and
pretty good at
You won't find me with a crew or in the cabin. I'm the captain of my ship. I'll be the first one clocking in and the last one on my shift. Bunch of keys in my pocket, my destiny in my grip. Don't take orders or submit. That ain't always a good